Hey guys, come closer, let's do this together. So if you're a Jabite, this will also help. There are some people that they like to put on a jab, but when they wear the long sleeves or something that cover their neck, they don't want to put long hijab. So this video is for you. This video is for you. So just watch the way I'm doing it. Very simple to grab, very very simple. So after tie it at the back like this, you will just cross this one like this. You can see the way I cross it. So you place it on top of your head like this. Then you do it like this. You're going to take, you see where I use my hand to do this place, as in this place I'm holding. So you're going to put pin to hold that place. Yes, you can use any materials to do this, especially when you have that elastic one. So then you pin this place down. You pin it. Be careful when you are pinning so that you will not go and injure yourself. So after pinning, then you pin the other side. Make sure the scarf cover that place very well. So you do what? You pin that place as well. So that place I'm holding. You can see how I cover that place. So you take pin and pin. So we're going to pin that place down. Yeah. So it now depends how you want it to be. At times you can leave it like this. Yes. You can leave it like this if you don't want it to cover your neck, or you do it like this. So you see how I held it like this. Now if you want to do it like this, you're going to use another pin. You use pin to do what? To pin it so that it will not be open again. You can see how beautiful is it. You can see how beautiful is it. So guys, please and please share this video for others to see, please. And to those that always share my video, those that always comment, thank you so much for doing that. Thank you. I really appreciate every one of you. If today is your first time, please share this video. I'm begging you guys, please share it. Share it for people to see it. Please, I'm begging, please share it. So you can do what? You leave it like this, anyhow you want it. Anyhow you want it. So how do you want your own to be? Or you do what? You sock it inside like this and leave it like this. So it depends the way you do what. Look at the back. It now depends on your choice, the way you want it to be. So you can see. So let's assume you wear something like this and you want to sock it in, you just pick everything and do what? And sock it inside. And use pin to pin that place that I hold. You can see that it's very, very simple. Very, very simple to understand. So guys,